Hey, I'm Robert with Impromech. I want to introduce you to another Impromech product, the AC-19005-BB. This is an AC filtration kit made for an MCC evaporator. This is a bulkhead evaporator unit from MCC, in particular the IW-1. These kits are made to attach over the metal housing of the MCC unit to provide a drop-in filter to be able to extend maintenance intervals on this unit. The kit includes 2 industrial polyester MERV 8 rated filters with the 2 metal grills needed to attach to the unit. You have 2 attachment options, a trifold or an exploding type rivet, and we also include screws with lock nuts. In the kit we include rolls of expanding type foam. This foam is used to attach to the evaporator unit, and as it expands out it will create a dust type seal between the evaporator unit and the plastic housing of the front cover. For more information, please visit impromech.com.